Listen. There's a lot going on out here. We've been given the chance to slow down and really listen to the quieter voices, to the timeless advice. What people want is changing. It's no longer enough to have the best product or the fastest service. Nowadays, people want to do business with companies that share their values. A healthy economy can rest only on a healthy society, and a healthy society needs a strong, healthy planet underneath it. Climate change is changing everything, and so we as business leaders have a choice. We can carry on with business as usual, or we can face the facts. We need to build a better future together. It'll be hard, but it's also the opportunity of a lifetime. We get to transform everything, every institution, every industry. We need to find a new path forward, guided by the wisdom of millions of unique voices. And the only thing we need to do to be successful is listen.